Good morning, Kazakhstan. Check out this view. Look at this massive canyon. Massively massive. It's a bit windy today, though. And then some. Morning! 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 Oh, y'all, it is crazy windy as heck. So we're just looking to make sure we got everything off of the back of the car. We'll try to head to over there. There's like this rock. There it is. There. Like a rock outcropping sticking out. We're hoping we can get some shade, some shelter, breakfast in. I don't know, but it is. You good?
I'm perfect. You? My hair, I'm like almost had like a natural blow dry.
Blowout. Okay, let's roll. It's crazy. Like that was the problem that I had with these rocks are really small. I was like, oh yeah, rocks. I was like, oh no, these rocks.
Yeah, it was a bit
optimistic.
Optimistic, yeah.
They looked like they might be big enough to like provide some shelter from far away.
Shelter from far.
Those aren't a guy. That's just horses.
Oh,
over there.
okay.
Look, you see a guy? I just see 3 horses.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. I like how they're chilling.
Yeah, they're just chilling. Maybe we can go stand beside them and get some shelter. No, but in all reality, like this little rock thing over here, it would provide a little bit of shelter of some sort.
If we squat.
If we squat down. We could hang the hammock off of those rocks to the car.
Fuck you. I'm not gonna be in a hammock flying around around the canyon.
Yeah, like a little kite.
Like a little kite.
Look at these horses. They're so beautiful, but where are they going? Hey guys, come on. It's okay. We come in peace. Look, there's like this little shelter way up here.
If we can get inside of it, I think it should be pretty fine there.
Or even downwind of the shelter. Let's just see. Let's get a little closer to it and see what it is.
Sure.
Those 3 horses there are so majestic, just chilling.
Yeah.
3 of them. Wow. Welcome to Kazakhstan. What if this is some dude's house?
Oh well.
In the middle of nowhere over here.
We'll ask for the
Maybe
shelter.
we'll ask if we could just sit outside his house.
Yes.
Huh. Oh, it's not even like a big house. It's kind of not very tall. Like the closer you get to things, you realize they're not very tall. What is it? Not very tall. I mean, it would provide some shelter for like low down cooking, but it's only half the height of the car.
Oh my God, it's again so small.
Yeah, but it looks so big from far away when we're in a flat plane. Huh, okay.
It looks better than that one.
There's a road that goes down here, but it's still going to be windy down there. There's not going to be a difference.
Yeah.
Look what the wind and stuff, like what the dust is doing on the side of the car. It's like the dust is all sticking on one side of the car. Like crazy. Look at it, like pulling up over there. It's like a negative pressure zone. It's wild. but I think this is about to be like a super epic canyon view. Let's see. Like, I wonder if any Americans ever been to over here. I wonder if any Lamborghini has ever been over here. Probably not. All right, where's the edge of this canyon? Why are these plants all dead? What's up with that? It's too hot? How far on the... Are you looking at the map?
I'm looking.
Or are you taking a nap?
No, I'm not taking a nap.
How far until the canyon is over here?
Like I said, the edge, I think it's like 200 meters max.
Oh, okay.
We're getting close.
Like I see canyon there. Like it looks like it's about to be super epic.
It shows that it's kind of continuous a little bit down the road.
Down the canyon?
Down the canyon, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, let's see. Here we go, y'all.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Like I'm just thinking, you know, it's like this Urus is doing things which I think Urus inventors were not even thinking of.
There's some pretty big rocks we went past. Alright, so we're going to delete the footage from this morning and we're going to reshoot it as if we woke up here with this view. Discovery Channel style. Y'all look at this. Wow. Alright, so we decided when we were down on the super rocky cliff that we'll head back to that little structure up here. And man, some of these rocks are like really could pop a tire, worrisome. You know, they're big, gotta hit them real slow. But anyway, we decided to head back to that little structure. We can set the stove down low and cook up a nice meal, hopefully for breakfast, and get some work done. So back we go with a nice canyon view out the side. Look at that. Kazakh Canyon. It looks like Utah. It's like the view of Utah with the wind of Wyoming. All right. Which way do we come from?
I think from the top.
From the right or from the left?
I think from the left.
What do you guys think? Should we go left or go right? All right. She's looked it up on the map. We're going to go left. Where's our shelter? Where's our little shelter? Was it this far? Is it this far away? Where is it? That rut was too deep. It would bottom out the car, scrape all the plates and everything.
I misbehaved. I didn't cook breakfast. I didn't make my bed. So I was left out alone in Kazakhstan. And now I have to walk back home to Dubai. Wish me luck. Or maybe Connor will forgive me. I will cook 2 breakfasts.
Alright, y'all, we have found the shelter over here. It looks looks great. So we're gonna drive over there. Alright, here we are at a little baby shelter. Which way's the wind blowing? So, where do you think we should put the car?
It's like this.
So where should we put the car?
Perfect. The car behind is perfect.
So I'm gonna go this way.
Don't, it's perfect.
All right, we've made our little wind shelter block because the wind's coming from this way. So it's blocking that side of the car to access some things. And it'll help block that little area, like right around here. We'll create a nice little block down here and get some blockage, but she wants to cook inside of this thing, so I'm gonna just let her cook in there. But at least this will like break up some wind just to her side of the car. Okay, what do you need? Well, look what showed up at my doorstep.
Hello.
Ooh.
Like this, yeah?
Breakfast.
Like this?
Yeah, put that down here. I got a nice. Wait, this one's nice and dirty. Yeah, put that in there. Like that. Put that down there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We got some khalab. Khalab. This looks good. I'm hungry. I'm starving. What are you going to eat, though?
Something. Leftovers.
Leftovers.
Habibi style.
Habibi style. Спасибо.
Пожалуйста.
That is a fucking Russian attack. No, it's the Russian version of Apache. That's the kind of helicopter you don't want to hear because you think about it. Alrighty, we're taking a break from the content mash, all the computer editing, etc., all of the fun, really, really long tasks. And So she's in her dungeon, her little dungeon. Yes, keep cooking. I'm hungry. Watching Golodny. Cook. Cut. No, cut the onion, not me.
No, but I have my special trick with cuttings.
Alright, let's see what sort of strange onion cutting techniques are employed here. Look how dirty her nails are too, guys.
Actually not that dirty anymore. I made some camping manicure.
Camping manicure. Wait, isn't the manicure on the hands? Manicure's on the feet.
Yes. Oh, you know that? How do you know that?
Okay, bye. Alright, we need to finish watching her onion cutting technique. It's very strange, actually. I've never seen this sort of thing before.
Oh, wait, sorry, okay. The technique is, you understood, right?
Wait.
I need to get my drink for you.
How did the... What? I'm confused how that worked. Look at this beautiful food. She has cooked up some minced meat with some pasta noodles with egg and local sauerkraut. Super good. Super delicious. Spasiba!
Пожалуйста.
Oh, is it raining?
Yes, it's raining.
Oh my god. You need help cleaning up?
Yes.
Okay, let me finish eating in this nice warm car. Take a little snap, and then I'll come do a little workout, and then I'll...
Yeah, you're gonna miss me so much. FYI.
We're scaring her away. What an epic, another beautiful sunset here in, I was about to say Pakistan. Kazakhstan. We're not in Pakistan yet, but we will go there. So stay tuned. Damn. If you like that sunset, hit the like and the subscribe button. I know today hasn't been so adventurous because we've been camped out working on the behind the scenes, the editing, honestly, I haven't even done hardly any editing. I edited one video, but most of it's just been downloading footage. It is so much work to download all of the footage because now the phone's full and I've gotten so behind and the airdrop doesn't work and it's kind of a mess, this whole Apple ecosphere thing. Still trying to figure out how to get it to work. All the new updates are horrible. Like, I cannot operate with the new updates. It makes it 10 times more difficult. So I might switch to an Android or something, or maybe switch to a different platform, or stop filming at all. I don't know. If you guys don't hit the subscribe button and the like button, comment below, maybe I won't film, so tell your friends. Otherwise, no more Camperghini. It's going to be Ferrari-ghini. I'm just kidding. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your support, and have a good